Hey guys, this is DJ. Welcome back to Happy Valentine's Day Part 2! Yay! Y'all will see a quick warm up on the first one. And on the second one, I have a special treat that somebody bought for me. So, by the way, I wish all y'all a Happy Valentine's Day again. Each one of y'all. So here's my Valentine's Day bag. So here's the tag. Let me see. It says, "To DJ from Miss Coon with love." Oh, thank you, Miss Coon. So now, let me see what she bought for me. So, Oh, she bought me a teddy bear and a box of chocolates. That's nice. And she also bought me like the pencils to store like your pencils or crayons. This is really nice as well. Let me see. Cool, she bought me socks and they really match us for Christmas or Valentine's Day. And she also bought me a hat with stripes. That's really awesome. Ooh, and she also bought me these socks with hearts in them, on them. Let me see. She also bought me chopsticks. Oh, sorry. This is chopsticks. I think lipsticks or chopsticks. I'm not 100% sure. So she bought me 4 of these. They're really cute. And she also bought me a notepad, just so I can take notes. And she bought me a lot of things in here. Thank you, Miss Coon, once again. She also bought me a notepad. This is awesome, and this is like a closer part. That's very awesome. Then she also gave me 2 chocolates. One says Happy Valentine's Day and one that says, these are really nice. Oh, and she also bought me 5 chopsticks. I'm not 100% sure this is chopstick or lipstick. Yep, this is chopstick. So she bought me 5 of those. And also, she bought me a porcupine eraser. It's so cute. And she also bought me a time cards. And she also bought me 6 chopsticks. This one is Coke. Cool, more chopsticks. And she also bought me some more erasers. 2 ladybugs. One is pink, one is purple. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is very nice. Once again, thank you, Miss Coon. This was very nice. Thank you for tuning in. I wish all and each of y'all a happy Valentine's Day. Peace, guys. Like and subscribe this video.